Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to reset all settings and preferences in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, close the Adobe Premiere Pro. If it's open, close it. Go to the desktop or the shortcut of your Adobe Premiere Pro, and whenever you double click on it, if you're using Mac, then press Option key. And if you're using Windows operating system, any Windows operating system, hold the or press Alt key. I double click on the Adobe Premiere Pro and press the Alt key. I double click on it. I press the Alt key continuously and I hold the Alt key. And here you find reset options, reset app preferences, clear media cache, reset plugin loading cache, and disable third-party plugins. If you want to only reset app preferences, select that. I want to reset all, so I click on reset this all things and click on continue. Wait for a few seconds and Adobe Premiere Pro is open and your preferences are reset in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.